Well, they've got it now. Show's over for tonight, guys.
You showgirl that one. Rash.
Oh, I'm still you one.
That was hilarious. You're like, guys, it's not funny.